You're eating clean, working out, maybe even fasting, but your hormones are still out of whack. Ever wonder why? One of the biggest hormone disruptors is hiding in plain sight, and it's probably in your kitchen right now. I'm talking about seed oils. Canola, soybean, corn oil, sunflower oil, the ones that most people think are healthy. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly how these oils impact your hormones, what science says about their effects, and how to replace them so you can actually start feeling balanced again. Let's get into it. Seed oils are highly refined vegetable oils extracted from seeds using industrial processing methods, usually with heat and chemical solvents like hexane. Common examples include canola, soybean, sunflower, safflower, corn, and cottonseed oil. These oils are everywhere in salad dressings, protein bars, roasted nuts, mayo, and almost every packaged snack or frozen dinner. Even a lot of healthy foods at restaurants are cooked in them. You'd be surprised at how often they sneak into your diet without you even realizing it. What makes them so problematic? It starts with their omega-6 fatty acid content. These oils are loaded with linoleic acid, a type of omega-6 that in excess becomes inflammatory and disrupts your body's hormonal balance. Most people today are consuming up to 20 times more omega-6 than omega-3, and that imbalance is one of the biggest silent drivers behind hormone resistance, fatigue, and even fat gain. In short, seed oils are inflammatory, unstable when heated, and completely out of sync with how our bodies evolved to function. When seed oils are consumed on a regular, the high linoleic acid content creates a pro-inflammatory environment in the body, and chronic inflammation is a direct threat to your hormonal system, especially the delicate balance between insulin, cortisol, estrogen, and testosterone. Let's break that down. Insulin resistance. Excess omega-6 fats have been linked to higher rates of insulin resistance. That's because inflammation interferes with insulin signaling, making it harder for your cells to absorb glucose. The result? Blood sugar spikes, energy crashes, and fat storage around the belly. Cortisol disruption. Chronic inflammation increases cortisol levels, your body's primary stress hormone. Over time, this wears down your adrenal system, leading to fatigue, brain fog, and poor sleep, all signs your hormones are off. Testosterone suppression. Studies show that men with high omega-6 intake tend to have lower testosterone levels. This directly impacts metabolism, mood, and even motivation. Estrogen dominance. In women, seed oils can worsen estrogen dominance by impairing liver detox pathways. That means more PMS symptoms, irregular cycles, and stubborn weight gain around the hips and thighs. In short, seed oils create the perfect storm for hormonal chaos, and the symptoms often creep up slowly, making them easy to overlook until they've taken root. If you're sick of feeling bloated and sluggish, grab my 7-day carnivore gut reset. It's a simple step-by-step plan that gets your gut back on track fast. The link's right below is free. Unlike sugar, which clears your bloodstream within hours, seed oils are stubborn. Once you eat them, they're stored in your fat cells and they don't leave quickly. Here's why. Most seed oils are made up of polyunsaturated fats, or PUFAs, in particular, linoleic acid. These fats are highly unstable and oxidize easily, especially when heated. When consumed, they're incorporated into your cell membranes, altering how your cells communicate, how they respond to insulin, and even how they burn energy. But here's the tripped out part. These oxidized fats can remain in your tissues for months, even up to a year in some cases. That means that the damage doesn't stop when you stop eating them. Your body is still dealing with the downstream effects long after the meal is over. The lingering presence leads to ongoing inflammation, increased oxidative stress, sluggish detoxification, and poor hormonal signaling. In simple terms, seed oils don't just cause a short-term spike in inflammation. They reprogram your metabolism and hormones for dysfunction, one bite at a time. You might think avoiding seed oils is simple. Just stop cooking with them, right? But not so fast. Seed oils are sneaky. They're hiding in every food, even ones labeled healthy. And that's what makes them so dangerous. Here are some common offenders most people overlook. Store-bought salad dressings. Even organic or avocado oil brands are often blended with canola or soybean oil. Protein bars and health snacks. Many use sunflower oil or soy lecithin as a binder or preservative. Rotisserie chicken, often basted with seed oil blends to enhance flavor and shelf life. Nut butters, peanut butters, and almond butters may contain added vegetable oil to prevent separation. Restaurant food. Even high-end places often cook everything in industrial oils like soybean, corn, or cottonseed oil because they're cheap and shelf-stable. You could be eating clean, fasting on a regular, and exercising, but if you're unknowingly consuming seed oils every day, you're actually damaging your hormonal system without even realizing it. And remember, the damage builds over time. These foods are small leaks that flood into your system over weeks and months. Let's break down what actually happens to your body over time when you consume seed oils on a regular, especially when combined with a modern diet and chronic stress. Week 1 and 2, cellular inflammation begins. You won't feel it, but seed oils like soybean or canola begin embedding into your cell membranes. This makes your cells more prone to oxidative stress, which is the first step toward hormone resistance. Week 3 to 4, insulin sensitivity drops. Your body becomes less efficient at using insulin. You may notice more sugar cravings, mood swings, or midday energy crashes, all early signs of metabolic disruption. Week 3 to 5, thyroid function slows down. XX omega-6 fatty acids from seed oils can blunt thyroid receptor activity, leading to slower metabolism. You may feel colder, more fatigued, and find it harder to burn fat even when fasting. Month 3 and beyond, sex hormone production gets disrupted. Your testosterone and estrogen levels can fluctuate. For women, this can mean heavier cycles or PMS symptoms. For men, lower drive, stubborn belly fat, or loss of focus. What's most dangerous is that all of this feels subtle until it doesn't. That's why most people never connect their symptoms to their cooking oils in their pantry or the healthy snacks in their gym bags. If you've been consuming seed oils for years, don't panic. Your body is designed to heal, but only if you remove the source and support detox pathways. Step 1. Cut seed oils cold turkey. Check every label. The most common offenders are soybean, canola, corn, sunflower, cottonseed, safflower, and grapeseed oil. Even healthy snacks and protein bars often hide them. Step 2. Replace with stable hormone-safe fats. Cook with ghee, coconut oil, or grass-fed butter. For cold meals, use extra virgin olive oil or avocado oil, both rich in monounsaturated fats that support hormone production, not sabotage it. Step 3. Support liver detox. Your liver has to process the oxidative byproducts left behind by rancid fats. Use milk thistle, dandelion tea, or simply drink more lemon water and eat cruciferous veggies like broccoli to help the liver eliminate toxins. Step 4. Load up on omega-3s. A high-quality fish oil or omega-3 supplement can help rebalance your fatty acid ratios. Aim for at least 1 to 2 grams of combined EPA and DHA per day to help counteract inflammation. Step 5. Fast strategically. Intermittent fasting can accelerate the turnover of damaged cells and improve insulin sensitivity. This helps reset your hormone balance faster, but only once the toxic buildup, seed oils, is removed. Within 4 to 6 weeks, many people feel lighter, more energized, and mentally sharper. That's not just placebo, it's your endocrine system finally getting a break. If you've been dealing with a stubborn weight gain, brain fog, or unpredictable energy, this could be your missing link. Eliminating seed oils is one of the fastest ways to give your hormones room to rebalance, but it's only one piece of the puzzle. If you want a full breakdown of how to repair your gut, reset your energy, and restore your balance naturally, download my free guide, The 7-Day Carnivore Gut Reset. It walks you through simple steps to beat bloating, boost energy, and support hormone health without strict diets or guesswork. Just check the link in the description below. It's free and made to get your results fast. And if this helped, make sure to subscribe. We've got more hormone-saving strategies coming your way soon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.